This is the Pumpkin Duo die set from Sizzix. It's a set of 12 dies that layer together to create two different shaped pumpkins. I love the fact that when you die cut one of these layers, it puts little score lines in that die cut to show you exactly where the next layer goes. So there's very little guesswork when it comes to layering these on top of each other and knowing which one goes where. One of my favorite ways to use this is just to use some mixed media heavy stock and die cut all of the pieces out of that same heavy stock and then layer them together, and from there use some mica sprays or even just color sprays to color them. You don't have to do it this way. You could also use cardstock scraps and die cut all different pieces with different colors and different shades. This way made it a little bit easier to know exactly where I wanted the shading, and then I could let those dry. Once again, if you wanted to use cardstock scraps, you could absolutely do that. But I love the fact that you have so much layering and dimension with just the one die set. It makes a really, really cute card. And these pumpkins are adorable and you can do so many different things with them. Perfect for fall.